Good morning, children. Today we will do rest of the exercises of models till worksheet 5 we have done. Let's see what is in worksheet 6. Read the given situations and think of the advice or suggestion you would give. Use the phrases in the aid box to build up your suggestion or advice. One example has been given. You can see here one help box is given and some situations are given. You have to take the help from the phrases or words given in the help box and write a suggestion. Okay, let's see what is in this example. Your sister is unwell. She wants to go to school. You can give the suggestion that you should take rest till you have recovered completely. Second is your friend is going on a trek. You can give suggestion that you should take proper walking shoes. A friend in the neighborhood has missed her school bus. You can say that you should request to your father to drop you to school. Next is your brother has been studying very hard. You can say you should take a break. Next is Veena is going on a trip to a hill station. You can suggest you should take a sweater with you. To is wrong here. After should, to is wrong. So, omit it. Next is you have lost your English book. You can say that you should put a notice on the notice board. Next sentence is your friend has broken his mother's expensive vase. You can say you should apologize. Let's see what is in worksheet 7. It is all about threat. You have to form threat sentences here. And situations you have to write yourself to. Go back to the time you were 3 to 6 years old. Think about the naughty things you did. And now think of the warning or threat you received that time. One is given as an example. Let's see what is this. When I was 3, I ate my mother's lipstick. My mother said, next time you touch my lipsticks, I'll thrash you. In situation 2, you can write that when I was 4, I threw my brother's new toy. My brother said, next time you touch my toys, I'll beat you. In this way, you can write more sentences. Like situation 3, you can write, when I was 5, I broke my father's spectacle. My father said, next time you touch my specs, I'll give you punishment. And in this way, children, you can write these two situations yourself too. Try to write these two situations. Now worksheet 8, let's see what is in this worksheet. Imagine you are Aman's father. You receives the following letter from Aman. Aman has taken up his first job assignment in a new city. He seems to be having a difficult time. You are Aman's father and you receives a letter from your son. What is in this letter? Let's see. First of all, the format of letter, address, Park Lane, Pratt City. This is the address of the sender. Means who is sending the letter? This is his address. Dear Dad, thanks for your letter asking me how I am. Well, I am trying very hard to get adjusted to the new job and the new city. The job is okay, but my boss isn't quite so. He's very demanding and I usually have to work till late in the evenings. I can never go out because I am held up in the office. Even my seniors aren't quite friendly or helpful. Besides, I have developed some problems with my teeth. I have a swollen gum, it pains a lot, and as a result, I have not been eating properly. Now I feel weak. If you think it proper, can I take leave and come home for a few days? I'm really homesick. Moreover, can I shift my residence to a place nearer to my office? At least I can get home half an hour earlier than I do now. Please do write back soon. Children, you can see here in this letter, Aman is facing so many problems and he is asking permission for shifting his residence also. Let's see what is given in the next. Worksheet 9. Now with the help of the letter given in worksheet 8, you have to write a letter. Okay, by the side of Aman's father to Aman, suggesting him and offering him to ease the situation with him. Let's see what his father can write. Again, sender's address means if his father is writing the letter, this is his father's address, 245 Big Street, Tinal City. Address is already given. In the next line, in the blank space, you will write date and then dear son. Or you can write Aman also, dear Aman. And then we will start the content of the letter. I am very happy to get your letter, but I am feeling a little worried about your health. You should take care of your teeth. Don't ignore it. You must consult and follow a doctor. It is good that you have got a new job, but if your residence is far away from your office, you can take other residence near your office. It will save your time as well as your money and health also. We are missing you too, so take leave for some days and come home soon. It will relax your mind as well as your body. Your mother is fine. See you soon. And then at last, yours loving father, Mr. You can write father's name also, otherwise Mr. XYZ. Now let's see what is in worksheet 10. Here is the use of semicolon given. The room was stuffy, semicolon, she opened the windows. Semicolon is a punctuation mark. Dot like full stop is given above and just below it comma is given. That is called semicolon. We use semicolon in place of linkers. And one more thing which you can notice in this sentence, that after semicolon, small letter will be given. The room was stuffy, she opened the windows. The man is not poor, semicolon, he is just a miser. Okay? Means if we will remove semicolon, we can write linkers here in place of semicolon. Like this. Look at these two sentences. The room was stuffy, so she opened the windows. Here semicolon is removed and linker is joined. The man is not poor, but he is just a miser. And if we will not write linkers, we have to add semicolon. Now let's see what is in worksheet 11. Punctuate these sentences using a semicolon at the appropriate place. And you know where you have to use semicolon. He is a farmer, semicolon, he gets up early. You better wear your jacket, semicolon, you will catch a cold. He had to look for a job, semicolon, he was left with no money. And now in rest of the sentences you can do it easily. Now you know where semicolon has to be written. After one sentence where the second part begins, you have to write semicolon in that place, in place of linker. Now do it yourself. Complete the following passage by writing a suitable word or words in each blank. This is editing passage. and this generally comes in exam. Hi, I am your classmate. Since I am new here, could you guide me on certain things about the school rules? This already given. Sure, you should reach the school latest by 7:55 am. You know that for suggestion we can use should. You must be in your school uniform and you can have your hair long or keep it short, or you may have, you can write also, but if it's long you must make two plates. This is showing necessity, means it is necessary to making two plates. You should do your homework assignments regularly. You should take leave by seeking permission in advance. In case you are ill, your application must be submitted on joining school. Unit tests are held every Wednesday. Don't miss any. If you do, you will get a 0. This is a threat like sentences, that's why will is used here. If you do, you will get a 0 unless you have been ill and submit a medical certificate. The school gets over at 2 p.m. If you live far away, you can use the school bus after putting in an application. Lastly, you must follow instructions to keep out of trouble. Or here you can write one more model also. You ought to follow instructions to keep out of trouble. Okay. Generally in these sentences we write must. That's why here must is written. Let's see the other exercise. Complete the following dialogue between a son and his father in any suitable way. One sentence has been written as an example. It's my friend's birthday today. He has invited me to a party. May I go? A son is asking for permission. You have had far too many parties. Now I think you should prepare for your exams next month. And his exam is going to be held next month, so his father is giving suggestion. There's plenty of time, I'll manage. Father, your unit test results weren't very encouraging. If I were you, I would work hard. Here this sentence is wrong, children. I would have worked hard is wrong. Don't write it. If I were you, I would work hard to get better marks. Dad, you know I wasn't well during the test. If you had been regular in your studies, you would have performed well despite falling ill. But this party means a lot to me. I promise I'll do well in the exams. No, I'm afraid you can't go to the party. Then son is saying that please dad, only this once, all my friends will be there. If you go to the party, I will punish you. His father is giving a threat. And children, not in this way only, you can complete the dialogue in any other way also. Because this is a dialogue writing, you can complete any dialogue with your opinion, your thinking. Hope this video will be helpful to you to do all the exercises of models. Okay children, now subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon